Organizers of the anti-president Emmerson Mnangagwa protest set for March 31 say they will not back down, vowing to move him same way Robert Mugabe was ousted by those who once put him in power. Sanabina mashoko arikuda panapa zvinzi aiwa the countdown to Mnangagwa's downfall yachizosvika manje. Chiriko chiri kuchanisa vanhu nokuti vari kuona kuti aiwa this our demonstrations iri kugena momentum zvakanyanyisa subscribe like out on the bell icon. Timnazim emobudani Mchenzi. Mnangagwa's second and final term is hanging by a thread as former freedom fighters aligned with his deputy Kosano Chiwenga have called for an uprising on March 31 demanding his resignation over corruption, nepotism and other allegations. The president, who seized the power in a 2017 military coup led by then Army Chief Chiwenga, had promised key democratic and economic reforms to revive Zimbabwe. However, those promises remained unfulfilled. Leading the anti-Mnangagwa campaign is expelled ZANU-PF Central Committee member and ex-combatant Blessed Runezugeza, now in exile and facing politically motivated charges for his outspoken criticism of the president. Last week, Geza, who is wanted by police for allegedly theft and other crimes, claimed in a YouTube broadcast from an undisclosed location that several opposition figures, including nelsonchamisa, former Finance Minister Tendai Biti, and former MP Job Skala, were begging his campaign to oust Mnangagwa. However, Chamisa swiftly dismissed these claims, emphasizing that while he remains open to constructive dialogue with all political stakeholders, he has had no involvement in the planned protest. Despite election rigging and relentless attacks on Mnangagwa's illegitimacy, he continues to command strong grassroots support, making him an unavoidable factor in Zimbabwe's political landscape. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa has deployed riot police and soldiers across the country in anticipation of a national shutdown. We are now heading to the removal of his demonstration. We are now counting the countdown. My days approach. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.